everybody, it's Prodigy again. Today I'm going to show you how to open a frozen something. So this is what a frozen something looks like. If you don't know, there's not a specific place to find them. If you just travel all over Shiverchill Mountains, this ice-coated mountain over here, you will find them. So over here, so if you want to collect one, you just click on it and you get it. Then you want to head all the way back to Bach. Well, you don't need to battle this pet and all the other pets. All you can do is click on the word map and click on this mountain thingy and click play thing. Okay, now we need to go into this door. In this door, there will be a bunch of furnaces. And this one is the one that can help you open your frozen something. So you can go up to it and click on it. And you're throwing the frozen something over in the furnace, and then you get an ice crystal. So if you see, you can click on this backpack thingy over here, and you can click on the items. Then you're going to want to scroll all the way down, and you've got some ice crystals, and you've got 3 frozen somethings here. I've got 3 frozen somethings, but you probably got different amount. So if you want to keep them, all of them up, you can keep clicking on the furnace or keep on throwing them. And I'm going to click on that again. I'm throwing another frozen something in. I'm going to go to tin can this time, and I can throw another frozen something in. You see, I've thrown a frozen something in 3 times, and it won't let me go anymore. So you're going to need to collect more frozen somethings for that. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more Prodigy videos. Bye!